In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location access for Zillow desktop. If Zillow isn't showing nearby homes or recognizing where you are, it usually means your browser isn't allowed to ask for your location. We'll fix that in Google Chrome and then make sure Zillow can use it. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps controls for things like cookies, site permissions, and safety checks. Next, click Site Settings. You'll see a section labeled Permissions that manages what websites are allowed to do. Find and select Location. This page controls which sites can ask for your device's location, and whether Chrome will show those prompts at all. Now, look for the option that says Sites can ask for your location. Make sure this is turned on. When this is enabled, Chrome will display a small prompt near the address bar the next time a site like Zillow wants to know where you are. If it's turned off, Chrome blocks all requests automatically, and Zillow won't be able to use your location. Double-check that it's on, and you're good to go. With that set, head back to your Zillow tab. Refresh the page so the new permission setting takes effect. You can click the Reload button next to the address bar, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. After the refresh, keep an eye out near the address bar for a location prompt. It may appear as a small pop-up at the top of the window asking if the site can use your location. This is a normal part of how Chrome handles location requests, and it's a good sign that your settings are working. If Zillow still doesn't seem to use your location, or you don't see any prompt, try opening Zillow in another browser. Sometimes, a particular browser might not show the request, or an existing setting is getting in the way. Testing in a different browser can quickly confirm whether the issue is specific to Chrome or something else. That's all there is to it. By allowing sites to ask for your location in Chrome, refreshing Zillow, and trying another browser if needed, you'll get accurate, local results and a smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to exploring homes nearby.